studying 7th class. Today topic is important countries in the world.
Australia,
Australia,
India,
India,
West Indies,
West Indies,
South Africa,
South Africa,
New Zealand,
New Zealand,
Zimbabwe,
Zimbabwe,
Pakistan,
Pakistan,
Afghanistan,
Afghanistan,
Sri Lanka,
Sri Lanka,
Bangladesh,
Bangladesh,
England,
England,
United Kingdom,
United Kingdom,
Japan,
Japan,
China,
China,
South Korea,
South Korea,
Malaysia,
Malaysia,
Germany,
Germany,
France,
France,
USA,
USA,
France,
France,
Brazil,
Brazil,
Canada,
Canada,
Mexico,
Mexico,
Russia,
Russia,
Sudan,
Sudan,
Egypt,
Egypt,
Spain,
Spain,
Sweden,
Sweden,
Portugal,
Portugal,
Ecuador,
Ecuador,
Philippines, Thailand, Indonesia,